for you guys, showing you guys how to reset the transmission. This works on the TLXs, all the other new models, TLXs, RLXs, MDXs, RDXs, all of the newer models. Like I think the TLXs started 2014, MDX 2014. This starts from 2014, I think, and up, the newer models, because we all know that these transmissions on these newer ones, they're a little jerky, a little finicky. So I'm going to show you guys the process of resetting the transmission. Usually if you go to the dealership or anything like that, you can go to the dealership. They won't reset it, but you can reset it after you get the transmission fluid replaced. After you get transmission service done, then you can do this, or you can just do it you know, in between transmission service, because what the car does is that it adapts to the way that you drive. So if you're in a lot of stop and go traffic, the transmission will shift down in order to save gas, and we all hate when it shifts down in order to save gas and stuff, and it kind of jerks a little. So I'm going to show you guys the process of basically clearing up those harder shifts so the car will readapt to the way that you drive. Like I said, this will work on all the Acuras, all the Hondas, the newer Hondas Accord, Honda Civics. This will work on all of them with the push start button. This will work. This is the process for it. I'm going to also do the one for the turnkey to show you guys how to reset the transmission on a turnkey car. So right now I'm just on the turnkey Hondas and Acuras. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how to do it for the push start. If you guys try this, let me know how it works out. Leave a comment under the video. And now I'm going to show you guys the process. Okay, so you just hit this. Okay, you put the car in accessory mode, right? Then you hold down you hold down the gas pedal to the floor, like so. You hold down the gas pedal to the floor for 30 seconds. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay? Then you take your foot off the gas pedal. Okay? Then you hit the start button to turn off the car, which it does turn the vehicle off. Then you put your foot on the brake pedal and hit the start button and start the vehicle. And that's all you have to do to reset the transmission, and then just take it for a drive. And you'll notice that the shifts will clear up. It'll be shifting a lot smoother. The car will feel just like it felt like from factory. Some people say that they don't feel a difference. I noticed that I do this like every 6 months. It makes a huge difference. The car drives wonderful after that. It drives really, really smooth, and it readapts to the way that we drive. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And remember, if this helps your vehicle out, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys, let me know if it worked for you guys. All right. Peace.